Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following is a conversion disorder. Hysterical fits is a conversion disorder. He does not have fits, but he has fits like symptoms, but there won't be any organic disorder in him. Hysterical fits term is no longer used. This hysterical fits term is no longer used. Currently, we have the classification is diagnosis of conversion disorder with seizures. We call this hysterical fits as conversion disorder with seizures is called as hysterical fits. So, in DSM-5 diagnosis of conversion disorder, in this the patient can have either the motor symptoms or sensory symptoms or convulsions or seizures can be seen in this patient. So here hysterical fits are conversion disorder with seizures. Actually, according to DSM-5, DSM diagnosis, the conversion disorders can present with either motor, this is DSM-4, motor symptoms, or it can present with sensory symptoms, or it can present with convulsions. Okay, so this is a conversion disorder according to DSM-4, but according to ICD-10, conversion disorders are nothing but they are the other name for conversion disorders are other name given for dissociative disorders. So dissociative disorders. So according to this, conversion disorder is equal to dissociative disorder. So according to ICD-10, all four options are correct. But generally for conversion disorder in the exam, we need to follow the DSM-5 guidelines rather than ICD-10 guidelines. Okay, this is followed. So according to this, conversion disorders should have motor symptoms, sensory symptoms and convulsions. So the answer is hysterical fits.
thank you and thank you for watching.